This is an incredible question. This user asks, what's the difference between clear and reset? So these are two different commands you would have on your terminal typically. Neither of them are actually like POSIX. They don't actually have to be there. I'm pretty sure clear comes from the ncurses library and reset probably doesn't. I'd have to look into the actual history of them, but I can give you a quick little synopsis here. Clear will emit some ANSI escape sequences to the screen to clear your terminal or attempt to clear your terminal, but that's all it does. It'll just output something to your screen. Now, is it going to be ANSI? Probably, but Clear will probably use a little term info, term cap stuff to figure out what makes sense for your terminal specifically. Most of the time it'll be ANSI, but it could be other sequences. The clear command is good for figuring that out. Reset is a little bit different. Reset is more heavy-handed than that. Reset will actually modify the terminal in ways that you can't through just ANSI alone. So the reset command might also output ANSI, but it will use the term ios.h header. So I call term ios. I've heard people say term ios or term ios. It's the terminal input output system header. I think it's a POSIX API, but that has things like TC get adders. I don't remember the name of the functions off the top of my head, but you can actually probe things about the terminal itself. So I can do things like, if you've ever seen the STTY command, I can do things like turn on and off character echoing. There's certain things you wouldn't be able to do with just ANSI alone. So reset's more heavy-handed. Reset is for when your terminal gets to a state where it's like, I don't know what happened. Things are weird. I'm typing on the keyboard and invalid characters are showing up. My cursor's in a completely bonked spot, space. I don't want to just clear the screen. I want to reset everything almost to factory settings, basically saying hey, I don't know what happened, but please, the equivalent of rebooting my computer, I want to reset the terminal. That's what the reset command does.